Here at Workbench, we prefer making than buying. So when it was time to get a whiteboard for the main space, Balu and his team chose to make the entire 8 feet long whiteboard out of glossy white laminate. This laminate was glued to 6 mm plywood and framed with a 3 by 3/4 inch pine wood. This board was held in position with these wooden clamps that were fixed into the wall. The reason behind these clamps is also the tutorial for today. How to add gloves to a whiteboard to give the illusion that it is being held onto by hands. These gloves add the feeling that 6 hands in the form of gloves are holding on to the whiteboard. Let us show you how we made it. To make this, we used 3 pair of gloves, some plaster of Paris, 6 empty bottles, and some water. The tools we used were a cutter and a drill with a driving bit attached to it. We first cut all the bottles in half using the cutter and then washed the insides of the bottle thoroughly. Then we mixed the plaster of Paris with some water. The consistency of the mix should be such that the mix should stick to your hands when you dip them in. The gloves are then rolled back and the mix is poured into all the finger holes. We give a little shake to remove all the bubbles trapped underneath and continued pouring till the mix reached around 3/4 the way in. After placing the bottle inside the glove, we squeeze the palm of the glove to make sure the POP doesn't bulge at that spot to make it look more natural. After letting it cure for 15 minutes, we then screwed it into the clamps and positioned all the fingers correctly. After letting the mix to cure overnight, the glove stayed in place at that position.